Let's take a look at subtracting fractions. So let's say we've got two fractions, for example, 3/4 minus 5/8. So same as always, our first step when we're adding or subtracting fractions and mixed numbers is to make sure we have a common denominator. So in this case, looking at these, our least common denominator is going to be 8. So let's go ahead and find our equivalent fraction here. So we're going to multiply numerator and denominator by 2, which will give us 6/8. And then finally, our last step will be to do 6/8 minus 5/8, and we get 1/8. Let's go ahead and try another example here. Okay, let's do 7/10 minus 1/4. Alright, so in order to do that one, we need to, again, find our least common denominator, which in this case will be 20. So we'll take 7/10, multiply numerator and denominator by 2 to 14/20. We'll take 1/4, multiply by 5, and we get 5/20. Then we can go ahead and take 14/20 and subtract 5/20, and we get 9/20. Okay, and we can always look and make sure our fraction is in simplest form, and 9 and 20 do not have any common factors, so indeed this is in simplest form. So that is how you can subtract fractions.